Let's open up this Weil McLain Ultra. There's normally 2 screws. These ones are missing. 2 bolts down here. Unscrewing those, lift up the bottom, and this will come right off. The drain trap needs to be cleaned out every so often. I just like to check there. I've seen holes develop right in here from the corrosion. Igniter electrode here also does flame rectification, so the flame sensor igniter are just one component. This is a truly induced exhaust fan and inducer fan. It mixes the air from intake, air and the gas, and pushes it into the burner, and then pushes everything. Exhaust comes out, goes out. These exhaust temperature sensors, the grommet goes bad. We'll make sure that's in there nice and tight. This pulls out the middle. That's how it should be. If that orange part comes out, either need to replace it or seal it up somehow. These are temperature sensors. There's an inlet and outlet one. There's the other ones right here. So this is inlet temperature, outlet temperature. You can adjust the venturi, that's the air mix from this one. Normally on Weil McLain's, these are set really good. You can adjust the gas, but I don't recommend that. It's very, very touchy. These normally don't need any adjustment. There's a gasket that goes all along here. And every once in a while you need to take this whole faceplate off. Look inside, there's a whole bunch of pins and it gets all junked up, and you gotta take these special blades and clean out inside there. We'll do that some other time. Alright, I'm gonna get into cleaning this.